Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you install Stable Diffusion on Android with Termux. Run AI Image Gen locally, 2026. Let's get started. Set up Termux. Install Termux from F-Droid. Run Termux Setup Storage to grant file access. Then run Package Update and in Package Upgrade. Why to update all packages? Install dependencies. Install required packages. Package install git, cmake Python, wget build essential. This gives you the compiler and tools needed to build Stable Diffusion from source. Clone Stable Diffusion. Clone stable-diffusion.cpp. Git clone https://github.com/leget/stable-diffusion.cpp. cd into it. Create a build directory and configure with cmake. Download a model. Download a compatible SD model. For phones with 6 to 8 GB RAM, use sd.cpp pruned at safensors, or a gguf quantized model from Hugging Face. Generate images. Run /bin/sd m-model.safensors p your prompt cfg-scale 7 h512 w512. Wait 30 to 90 seconds and your AI image appears. That's it for today. Subscribe to Kola Lawal for daily AI on Android tutorials. Get the complete guide with all the scripts and troubleshooting at lawalfataikola.gumroad.com. See you tomorrow.